understanding when and how water shaped the Martian landscape provides insight into the evolution of Mars and our solar system. Mars is a good candidate to study since its surface is very old, and unlike the Earth, the Martian surface has not been modified by lava flows and other events that erase geologic history. Models from previous studies predict that there were glaciers and rivers moving around on Mars in recent history. But is this true? Well, my work provides solid evidence that it is true. Mars is a very good planet to study because it has many unique properties, such as a tilt which changes from 0 to 80 degrees within millions of years. Earth, on the other hand, has a tilt which changes from 22.5 to 24.5 degrees within 41,000 years. During periods when Mars has a high tilt, water is predicted to occur near the equator. So my work focused on looking for water just north of the Martian equator in a region known as Arabia Terra. I investigated the interiors of craters for glacier and river deposits, and I found some craters did exhibit signs of water. Glacial deposits were located just north of 30 degrees, while river deposits were evenly distributed throughout the region. In fact, my data showed that there were two different time periods in Martian history when water activity occurred. To determine the exact time periods, I compared older and younger craters with water deposits. Older craters displayed water deposits from a time period when Mars was warm and wet, which was around 3.6 billion years ago. Younger craters displayed water activity from a time period when Mars' tilt was large, which was around 1.2 billion years ago. In fact, my data shows that this water activity ceased 64 million years ago, which is recent time in geologic history. The evidence I gathered and the techniques I used to determine when water activity occurred can now be used for other areas on Mars.